Open your own door to success, especially in Onpassive. Success on any major scale requires that you accept responsibility. The one quality that all successful people have is their ability to take on responsibility. You must choose the thoughts and actions that will lead you on to a success. Nothing will happen by itself. It can all come your way once you understand that you have to make it come your way by your own exertions. Find your pathway to success and begin your journey. Your life will become what you make of it. The golden opportunity you are seeking lies within you. It's not in your environment. It's not in luck or chance or the help of others. It's in you alone. Opportunity is all around you, and if the door of opportunity is closed, you must keep on knocking on it, and keep on knocking on it until it opens. You'll develop your opportunity by applying persistence to your possibilities. Success won't come to you, you must go for it. Become an opener of doors. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you, and have a blessed day.